Wow. Is anybody else thinking cabin right about there? I am. Hello, family, friends, and turtle subscribers. Well, what's left of you anyway. I am at the Manistee River Trail today, doing a little day hike. Thought I'd bring you all along, show you some fall colors. Beautiful so far. Possible announcement coming at the end of this video on a future upcoming trail. We'll let you know. Wow, simply beautiful. Simply beautiful. Don't get much better than that. Check it out, there's campsites right here too. Right by that. Campsite 3B. Just run back over in there. This is your view. Wow, very cool. Manistee River Trail. Barely started. I can't barely put this camera away. There's so much to see. I've seen about 5 hikers so far. Haven't seen nobody on the river yet. There's the blue blaze. Follow the blue diamonds. Blue diamonds get you there. Another beautiful shot. Manistee River, everybody. Nice. Neat little waterfall. Awesome. Nice campsite right off the trail. This little path down here to the river. See if I can get down here without killing myself. here's the camp spot right here. Oh yeah. Got your own beach. View of the river. Oh yeah, this would be the spot right here. Nice. Very nice. Ooh. Alright, family, friends, and turtle subscribers, that is going to conclude today's day hike on the Manistee River Trail. Beautiful trail, campsites everywhere. A lot of people out today, actually. I was kind of surprised. It's wet and cold out, but there's a lot of people out there. Gosh, can you see that in the background? Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, become a turtle subscriber. Hit that notification bell. And we will see you on the next time. A friend of mine said he'd only come hiking with me if there was gold in them there hills. Here's your gold, James.